In this video, I want to talk about sales. This is a very different topic than when we talk about PLCs, robots, ERP, and other specific problems in manufacturing. In sales, we have a specific, very simple business goal. We want to increase our revenue. And to do that, provide a good experience to our salespeople in the CRM system. In this example, I show you what Siemens did. You can check out the case study to learn in detail what they are doing. But here I want to show you a few parts of such an architecture. At the bottom left, you see that there is SAP. So this is an ERP system. In this case, it's still running on-premise in the data center. On the other side, a lot of innovation is going on in the cloud. Like you see here with Salesforce, a fully managed cloud service you use. The challenge of manufacturers is to connect that data together to increase revenue with a better services and more sales. The data streaming platform with Confluent is very often used as the integration layer. In this case here, we are connecting both to the legacy system on-premise, which is using proprietary technologies. Like in this case, it's still using iDoc and BAPI and very complex integration challenges. We are getting the data into the streaming platform. Interestingly, this data is not coming in real time. So this is often coming in as batch mode. So Kafka, as the heart of the streaming platform, decouples the systems. So then each consumer consumes the data when it's needed. Modern applications in the cloud are often capable of consuming data in real time. It doesn't matter how it gets into the system, you consume it when it's ready to consume. And this is what's working in this workflow here. The additional advantage here is now you can build new applications. For example, a new mobile app. This mobile app communicates with the streaming platform in its own technology. In this example, we're using standard web services with HTTP, but it could be anything. gRPC or WebSockets or anything else you need. So you can build a new application completely decoupled from the existing environments. And in this way, you can innovate while still connecting the old applications. So we have old and new applications together. And with this, you can now do the migration at your own pace when you need to do that. So you could use and modernize ERP system and move it into the cloud. This is typically its own project, so it can take years. However, in parallel to this, many of our customers are even moving the streaming platform into the cloud. You're very flexible in how to do such a migration. So you could either just deploy in Confluent Cloud, or you can keep a hybrid integration running for some time. You're very flexible and we have the right technology to synchronize data in real time between on-prem and cloud infrastructure. And in our customer base, this is really what we are seeing. You choose the right architecture for your problems to modernize the IT infrastructure. And then you can decide on your own when you also move other applications to the cloud, or when you build a brand new application in the cloud somewhere else. So in summary, what you have seen here is a very normal example we see in the manufacturing space to improve sales and in general to modernize the IT infrastructure. You need to connect to systems that exist for decades in often proprietary interfaces. You need to get that data into new systems so that you can access it and use it and build new applications around that. For example, like in this case, for the salespeople, for your B2B partners, and also for the customers who want to have a good experience. The data is always consistent, no matter if the other consumer is real-time or still batch, or maybe a request-response web service. And this modernization is really how we can help with data streaming, cloud only, or in hybrid scenarios. I hope you learned a lot in this video. Take a look down in the description. We link to a few case studies like Siemens. In addition to that, feel free to comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Kai Werner with Confluent.